Hello everyone, my name's Andy Lowe and I'm the Chief Commercial Officer at Flexitricity. Welcome to Breach Farm in Derbyshire. We're here today with one of our energy partners, Gore Street Capital. Breach Farm is one of Gore Street's lithium-ion batteries and it contributes 10 megawatts towards our growing virtual power plant. Flexitricity operate a number of energy storage assets like this one at Breach Farm. Our portfolio includes Gore Street's Larport farm site, which is a 19.5 megawatt battery in Herefordshire, alongside a range of energy storage assets between 250 kilowatts and 50 megawatts in size. Our role is to dynamically optimise these assets across a range of different markets and services to generate revenue for our energy partners. We offer access to balancing services like frequency response, and we trade the flexibility in the energy markets and directly with National Grid in the balancing mechanism. We do this from our manned 24/7 control room in Edinburgh using a range of machine learning algorithms and automation tools, and importantly with people overseeing our optimisation and dispatch round the clock. The key to successful asset optimisation is being dynamic and agile in your approach. We're taking day-ahead decisions about markets and services, and our platform then continuously updates to build an optimized position for each asset, so that at the point of delivery, we earn maximum value for our customers whilst providing critical flexibility to the system. New services have been launched recently, like Dynamic Containment, which is a frequency response product, and we're expecting more response and reserve services to be procured in 2022, with increasing wholesale market volatility and balancing mechanism coverage adding to the opportunities. So having the agility to move between these markets and services to maximize value for energy storage is only going to become more important in the future.
I'm John Michael Cheshire, and I'm a principal in the investment team at Gore Street Capital. Gore Street Capital is the investment manager for Gore Street Energy Storage Fund, the first listed energy storage fund on the London Stock Exchange. Our team has a wide range of skills comprising strong technical, operational, finance and investment experience, and so is very well placed to assess opportunities in the energy storage space. Typically, Gore Street will invest in utility-scale battery storage systems. To date, this has been focused on Great Britain and Ireland, where we have leveraged our first mover advantage to build up our asset base. We currently have 210 megawatts in operation and a further 310 megawatts under development and construction. We can invest in assets which are either already operational, such as the 81 megawatt Enesco portfolio that we acquired last year, of which Breach is one such asset, or by acquiring project rights from developers who have secured grid connections, land and planning permissions to the point where the projects have been successfully de-risked for us to take forwards. Whilst our investment decisions are predicated on delivering a target return for our shareholders, we have a clear objective to boost the global decarbonisation movement through supporting the increased penetration of renewables by balancing the grid with energy storage solutions to deal with the inherent intermittent renewable electricity generation.
My name is Alicja Kowalska-Montfort. I'm a principal at Gore Street Capital. I head up the technical team. The technical team manages Gore Street Fund assets from the design stage, where we work really closely with battery technology providers, and we ensure that the batteries meet technical specification that fulfills the investment case. And we also manage the assets through construction and operation, and it includes also managing the revenue streams and monetization. Battery storage is a very versatile technology. It's ultra fast and it's flexible, and it can be deployed pretty much any size and for any duration within lithium-ion duration, and also there are other technologies that support longer duration storage. It can be used as an ancillary service solution, a backup. For inertia services, it could be used for black start, so a very wide array of power quality issues can be solved by batteries. We also know that if they're deployed on renewable grid, that support can be absolutely carbon neutral.
Whilst there is a lot of discussion and coverage in the asset class currently, and in particular around batteries, we typically base our investment decisions taking a longer term view, and we are careful to take time and spend the appropriate capex to future-proof the assets to be able to deliver a range of services.
Flexitricity has been an excellent partner for GSC assets. We really appreciate the expertise of the team in all areas of electricity market and the cooperative approach they deploy in dealing with clients. We felt that Flex is always staying on top of every material change, whether it's in policy or technical requirements for existing revenues and tracking opportunity for new streams.
Flexitricity has proven to be a strong route-to-market partner for Gore Street. As we have expanded our portfolio, we have added to the number of assets which are managed by the Flexitricity team and developed a strong relationship. From my experience, Flexitricity has been very proactive, whether that being preparing the required hardware and software asset upgrades for new revenue opportunities, to the provision of an excellent and timely support and response across reporting, market insight and day-to-day operational feedback.